Strait of Hormuz crisis, and US Iran tensions. Welcome to EduRev. Today, let's understand why the Strait of Hormuz is once again in the news and why it matters greatly for India. The Strait of Hormuz is a narrow sea passage between Iran and Oman. It connects the Persian Gulf with the Gulf of Oman and the Arabian Sea. A large share of the world's crude oil and liquefied natural gas passes through this route. Recent tensions between the United States and Iran have raised concerns about the safety of commercial shipping in this region. When uncertainty rises around the Strait of Hormuz, global oil prices can increase very quickly. This is because the Strait of Hormuz is called a maritime choke point. A choke point is a narrow route through which a large volume of global trade must pass. If movement through such a route is disrupted, energy supplies and shipping costs can be affected worldwide. For India, this is extremely important. India imports a major part of its crude oil requirement. A significant portion comes from the Gulf region and travels through the Strait of Hormuz. Higher oil prices can increase India's import bill, raise inflation, widen the current account deficit, and put pressure on the rupee. India also has a large diaspora in West Asian countries. Therefore, stability in the region is important not only for energy security but also for the safety and welfare of Indian citizens abroad. For UPSC aspirants, remember these keywords: Strait of Hormuz, Maritime Choke Point, Energy Security, West Asia, Freedom of Navigation, and Indian Diaspora. This topic is important for international relations, internal security, economy, and GS Paper 2 as well as GS Paper 3. Stay connected, and for more UPSC current affairs, download the EduRev app. Thank you.